In this video, you'll learn how to organize your thoughts using Notion. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to create a structured workspace that helps you manage your ideas effectively. By the end, you will have a well-organized Notion page tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your web browser and type in .notion. So quote in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion interface, which gives you the option to log in or create a new account if you haven't done so already. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will enhance your experience. Next, look for the option labeled Add New Page on the sidebar. Click on this option to create a fresh workspace. A blank page will appear, allowing you to start organizing your thoughts. If you have large files to upload later, consider your internet speed, as slower connections may prolong the upload process. Once the blank page is open, type in a title that reflects the content you want to organize. This could be a project name or a topic of interest. It is essential to have a clear title, as it sets the context for the information you will add. After typing, you will notice the title being displayed prominently at the top of the page. To create a list, type /bullet on the page. This command will bring up a selection of options related to bullet points. Click on the bulleted list option to format your thoughts in a list format. This method is useful for breaking down ideas into manageable pieces. After creating your bulleted list, type in the first item you want to include. This could be a key idea or a task that relates to your main topic. You can continue to add more bullet points as needed, allowing for a clear and organized presentation of your thoughts. If you wish to incorporate external resource, type Google Drive on the page, click on the Google Drive option that appears, and then select Browse Google Drive. This will allow you to access files stored in your Google Drive, which is helpful for integrating documents or images related to your ideas. Next, you will be prompted to choose your Google account. Click on Choose Your Account and select the appropriate account from the list. After this, you can click on Select a File to navigate through your Google Drive files. Ensure that you have sufficient storage in your Google Drive to avoid issues when uploading larger files. Once you've chosen a file, click on Select to attach it to your Notion page. You can now see the file linked within your workspace. To enhance your page visually, consider adding a cover image. Click on Add Cover to customize the appearance of your page, which can help in organizing your thoughts more attractively. To create a multi-column layout, type /3 columns and select the 3 columns option. This feature allows you to organize content side by side, providing a more dynamic structure for your ideas. After selecting, you can fill each column with relevant information. As you continue to build your page, you can add images by typing /image. Select the image option to upload visuals that complement your text. You may choose to source images from Unsplash by clicking on the Unsplash option and typing in your desired image topic. After selecting an image, you can click on the second column to add more content. Type /callout to create a callout box where you can emphasize important ideas. This feature draws attention to critical points and helps in organizing thoughts effectively. Continue to enhance your page by typing your ideas within the callout box. This visual differentiation aids in highlighting key concepts. You can also add a third column to further diversify your layout by clicking on third column. Lastly, you can create actionable items by typing /to-do list. Clicking on to-do list allows you to create a checklist of tasks related to your organized thoughts. This feature assists in tracking progress and ensuring that your ideas translate. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.